Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Cipher Pata equipped and ready. Put it in your active weapon slot, and make sure your build meets the scaling requirements so the weapon's special effect will matter. Once done, free up FP by allocating 1 to 2 flasks and switch to a light armor load so you can dodge and reposition. You want mobility and enough FP to trigger the Cipher's ability, so adjust your loadout now and confirm the weapon skill is assigned to the expected button. Now focus on execution. You press the weapon skill to activate Cipher Pata's effect. Watch your FP and the cast animation. Timing matters. Immediately after activation, chain quick light attacks to capitalize on the brief window of enhanced damage or status application, because the skill often boosts follow-up hits. Make sure to bait shields or parries, then step aside and punish recovery frames. If you're mixing incantations or ashes of war, time them so the Cipher's uptime overlaps with your heaviest strikes. To finish fights, capitalize on the Cipher window. Land a heavy attack or bleed proc when the enemy is staggered to exploit the built-up damage. Once done, make sure you manage FP mid-combat. Use a flask between engagements so the skill is available when you need it. If the effect doesn't trigger, check equip order, confirm the skill is bound correctly, and consider enemy resistances or latency in multiplayer. Adjusting timing and swapping to a faster weapon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.